Good morning, class 7. I think everyone must have done their homework. Now let's start second part of the 3 questions. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Let now happen. Both the hermit and the king saw a man was rushing on to them, and he had wound on his stomach, and it was bleeding also. So they helped him and dressed his wound again and again. Now what the king did? The king did dressing his wound. Wound means an injury to part of your body. His wound again and again, but the bleeding was not stopping. Okay, the bleeding did not stop, so the king changed his clothing and dress again and again until the bleeding stopped. So the king play important role of saving a bearded man's life. Now the man was feeling much better after he got dressed. Then bleeding stopped. He started feeling better about it. Now, after feeling better, what happened? He asked some water. Then the king provided some water to the man. Now, by the time provided some water, everything was fine. He was feeling better, and it was the evening. The sun had set by this time, led the man on bed, but he was an unconsciousness state. Who? A bearded man. He was dressed by the king, and he was later on after drinking a water. He got into his unconsciousness state, and he was led on the bed by the king. Okay, so the king was also tired. He also laid on the floor and slept. In the morning, he woke up and he surprised because the bearded man was asking for forgiveness from the king. Please forgive me. Now the king was very surprised that why the bearded man was asking for forgiveness. Then the bearded man explained he told him that he swore revenge on the king as the king put his brother to death and seized his property. Now the bearded man explained the whole scenario to the king. He explained him that the bearded man was waiting outside somewhere on the way of king backside from the hermit place to the king palace. The bearded man was waiting in the way for king return to the palace in the evening, but to his surprise the king did not return back now. Why was the bearded man waiting? The bearded man was waiting so that he could kill the king and he could take revenge from the king. As the time was passing by in the evening, he could not see the king anywhere. So the bearded man got impatient. He was hidden somewhere in the way. So he got out of his way and he started looking for the king on his way, for the king to kill him. What happened? One of the soldiers of the king recognized the bearded man. That the bearded man was the king's enemy, and he wanted the bearded man. Now the bearded man entered to going to the hermit place, and the king, he wanted to kill the king, and the king was the same person who saved his life. So that is, he was asking for forgiveness. That the king, if you have not saved me, I would have died. So that was reason he was asking for forgiveness. Now what happened? But the king, on the other hand, he was very happy. Why he was happy? He was happy because he made peace with his enemy. And the king also promised him and he will return back all the properties that he seized. And another hand, the bearded man also promised him, he promised that he was going to serve him for the rest of his life. Now that how the situation ended. The both made peace and it was a good ending. Now what happened? the end you must be thinking what happened those 3 questions of the king, which he went to ask from the hermit. Now the king at last again pleaded the hermit. He pleaded and he asked that please answer my 3 questions. Now the hermit was again the same place. He was digging the first day. Now he was sowing seeds. And to king's surprise, the hermit answered that you already have the answer to these questions. Now the king was surprised that how do I have the answer to this question? I don't have answer. So the hermit explained that you already have the answer to these questions. He took the scene back, he reminded the picture and he told the king. Now what he told the king was the important. He told the king, just imagine if you have not waited yesterday and if you have not waited on me and helped me digging the beds, you have gone back to your place. And what happened? Then the enemy would have killed you. This would have happened if you have not pitied on me, if you not helped me, if you not considered me is not important that time, so you would be killed by now. What was the situation currently? The king helped him, so the most important person at that very moment to the proof to the hermit. So the hermit was the whole scenario he was trying to explain that the very important person at the moment is the person you are with and the time to right thing is now. Hermit said, you have already answered. You just needed to see clearly. Hermit said, there is only one time that is important and that is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have power act. So by the ending the chapter we have learned most important time, most important person, most important business. Most important time is right now. Please save this time and do anything you want to do right now. Most important person is the person you are within that particular moment. And most important business is to do good. So our chapter has completed. Today's assignment is first match item in list A with their meanings in list B. Second, write the word meanings. Okay, bye. See you next class.